And I want you to record. Okay. Replacing a window skin on a 98 TJ, take 2. You're recording too, right? And yours stayed. It didn't do what it does when we're, okay. Our $5 Samsung wants to kick off whenever we try to record something important. So we start out by unfastening all the Velcro. Now, the easiest place is to start at the upper rear corner. We brought this in from out of the Arctic to warm up under the heaters in the kitchen so that it's somewhat pliable. And this part of the frame right here is the easiest to take it off. As you can see, even now, it puts up quite a fight. You see my fingers there, it goes. Fingers are starting to turn blue from the blood being cut off from prying it out. Now, we move to the upper front. We pop it off. We loosen the Velcro. We go to the front corner. The frame pops off. Your frame is going to be filthy dirty when you take it off. So we're going to take this old, foggy, brittle, scratch window and we're going to get rid of it. We're going to take a quick second to clean up the frame. Otherwise, you're going to be transferring a bunch of dirt into your brand new window that's actually going to make it harder to get on. Now, we have a brand spanking new aftermarket window. Came off of eBay. You can get a pair of these for about the price of one from Jeep. The quality is very good. The stitching is very good. The material's good. The only place that's a little deficient is kind of up here in the corners of the windows. But, you know, we just had a real hard time paying $250 for one window when we get a pair for less than that, and both of them were in really bad shape. And let's face it, a 98 is a 25-year-old Jeep. Okay, let's lay it down here and let's get started. I'm going to lay this down, face down. We're going to try very hard not to scratch the floor. Now, the very first thing you want to start with is this lower rear corner. Because it has the deepest pocket. You will never, ever stretch this window over this. They fit excruciatingly tight. And we loosen the Velcro over here on this side and get the vertical started so that the frame can fall all the way in the pocket. Okay, now comes the hard part. We have to make sure that this is all completely unzipped. There's one additional Velcro that has to be loosened here. Now we've had this setting under a forced air heater for quite a while to try to get it pliable. They say to use a wooden dowel or a wooden stick or a shoehorn to try to get this corner in. What we're using is a windshield wiper or a windshield scraper, excuse me. I'll try to edit that out or I won't. Because this has to stretch like a ridiculous amount to get it in up here and then work it down into the pocket on you lower front corner. I'm going to try to get under here and pry just a little bit to get some more stretch out of the plastic. We are in, but we're not completely in. We've got to get more stretch right down here. I'm going to try to go under with this, wedge it under the frame, and pry. You don't want to use anything sharp. You do not want to puncture your brand new window. Up this corner. Let's see, you can get a little bit more. We're not quite in the pocket. I'm walking out of camera. There. We went a little farther. We're going to back it out for a second. I'm going to try to put a little more stretch. And of course, you will never ever have this problem in the summer because your plastic windows will be soft and pliable. I'm taking it back out, trying to get a little bit more stretch. Or maybe not. Let's see. Yeah, let's get a hair dryer on it. On this front. Well, the whole bottom edge. Mostly here. Okay, we're in. Now, we're going to flip it. We're going to go to the driver, to the front, top corner, stretch it over, Velcro again. Kind of tack this Velcro down here. This last corner. You're not going to lay this down. Velcro to help hold. That's up and over. Now we stretch it to the Velcro. Velcro it down. This one, the Velcro has to go up the inside first. It has a continuation patch for the bottom to pin it all in. Stretch it tight, get it on the Velcro.
Ta-da.
And we've got a zipper that's buried. Pull it up. Get the window zipped. So that we stay tight and right. And there we have a reskinned Wrangler TJ window. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hopefully my camera recorded all the way. If this thing's fucking running,